700 of this Bell & Howell resistance band bundle have been ordered today. You know what? We're going to work out a little bit. We're going to get moving a little bit. Maybe you want to tone up. Maybe you want to add a little muscle. Maybe you just want to get moving and get that blood flowing. But you don't want to go to the gym. You don't want to pay a gym membership. You don't have to buy a big machine. No heavy weights. No classes with other people. You can do this on your own. Let me tell you what you're getting, because I think you are getting multiple bands. You are getting a multiple grips. 5 intense, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 bands there. You're getting 2 of these grips, which are nice and comfortable and soft in your hand here. You are also getting a place to put it on the door. This, you're able to put that on your door as well. And then it all goes inside a bag. So you can carry all of this right inside the bag. You're going to do this in the privacy of your home. You're going to do this out in the park, out at the beach, on vacation, in the hotel. You're going to take it with you. It's time to get up and just get moving a little bit. Just for today, this whole set is $19.99. Just for today. This price goes away at the end of today. I'd like to bring out from Bell & Howell and super fit, Mr. Chad Allen is here. Chad, are we going to work out a little bit?
Yeah, we'll definitely work out a little bit. Every color is a different pound, so everyone's covered. And
okay.
if you look at this entire kit and you think that's too much for me, don't worry. It all fits in that bag for real, as Ty pointed out. And on the end of every single band are carabiners. So switching out from these like foam handles, not plastic, that cut your hands, to maybe your wrist straps or to your ankle straps, to the door anchor. Things switching out in between is as simple as literally a carabiner. And so we're going to give you a door anchor that goes over the door, and that's how you're going to do dozens of more exercises. And I'm about to look like a little boy out here next to Ty Mayberry.
What? No, I'm trying them out. Here we go. Let's get moving. Let's just try them out.
Wait, do we have any music to go with Ty?
So wait, let's jam. See, you're doing this in the comfort of your own home. I don't have to go to a class at a gym. Don't have to pay a gym membership.
No.
You're on vacation in your hotel
You got it perfect
room
right
if
there.
you want to. Listen, spread it out a little bit more. You can get a little more of that resistance. Do them at the same time, one at a time. You can put your feet a little closer. I mean, resistance bands are everything. You see high-level athletes use resistance
Well,
bands.
my Tampa gym, I just moved from my Tampa gym, it was a lot of retired football players because we have the Bucks there.
Yeah.
And it was a private gym. And I had a trainer. And every day we would start and finish with resistance. We would lift weights in between, like heavy weights. We'd lift them. And the football guys would too. I never wanted to get that big. And so I stuck more with resistance training.
Yes.
That's what I'm doing here with you. Why though? What does resistance training do that lifting weights doesn't? It creates longer, leaner muscles. If I want to build my bicep to be big, I'm going to have to lift heavy weights. If I want that compact, slim, lean, just trimming and toning, that's where resistance comes in. So it's a great way to start your workouts, a great way to end your workouts. But if all you want to do is get toned and fit and burn some fat, I'll tell you something. You've seen me for 60 seconds. I'm already hot.
Get out of breath. Let's go. Let's
that's
get out
what
of
it
breath.
feels like.
Listen, it also puts you in control the whole time,
That's
right? You are totally in control. It's not a big heavy weight that you can't move around your home. You are in control. You are getting 5 different bands. So if you want to start really simple, if you want to put your feet together and start easy, and then as you work up, you want to do biceps, you want to do your shoulders, a little bit of your back. Also, if you're recovering from something, have you ever been to the doctor and they say, you know what, you feel a little pain in your shoulder? Use resistance bands. I'm telling you, if you just do 10 minutes a day, just to get that blood circulating, and then you roll these up, you throw them in the bag, you take them with you. Do this out at the park. Do this at the beach. Do this in the backyard by the pool. Go and have a little bit of fun. Take it easy. Start small. And it's not going to cost you $100. It's not going to cost you $50. Today, it is $99.99. That's it for this entire set.
And it's easy, Ty. Anyone can do it. Included in your kit is what we call a door anchor. I'm going to hold it against the white. I don't want anybody to be concerned at all. This is a foam, a little flexible. Look at this. It's just foam. It's meant to, so it can't come through your door crack, but it's not going to damage the door. So I'm going to go over the top of the door, throw it over, just make sure it's over your door, and then close that door.
Okay.
Make sure it's closed before you start tugging on your resistance bands. Now we're talking chest flies. Now we're talking tricep. We can do like literally dozens of more exercises by including the door anchor. Now watch this. If I'm recovering, I have a shoulder, I just want to work out one arm, right? You name there's a lot of examples why. Look at this. Just one arm, not two, just one. So I can focus and I can do what works for me. Ty's bringing it up above his head. These are resistance bands, okay? And so you can bring it that tall and it will always go back to the right it never stretches out.
Right, exactly.
Yes.
It's always going to go back. And listen, you're lifting, let's say you are trying to maybe tone up a little more muscle. Lifting is one thing, but also kind of coming back down in control.
Yes.
Have you ever had those heavy weights and you're like, I just can't control them. They just kind of drop. And you can't take those with you anywhere. You're kind of stuck with those weights. Look at this. Look, also what they call kind of plyometrics, where you just hold. If you just want to hold a little bit of resistance,
the tension.
Sometimes just move.
Hold
That's
it.
all I want you to do. I just want you to get up for 10 minutes a day and let's just start moving with our resistance band. So biceps, maybe it's shoulders, maybe it is triceps.
But do you notice how, and I keep looking at the screen, I'm so sorry not to be looking at you, but you need to anchor it somewhere unless you're doing band pull-aparts, okay? And so I would anchor this around my feet. It's the easiest way to do it. And so just take it and step on it when you just get this home. But my feet, Rebecca Wood actually asked this, I had not thought about it. I do it about here. If I want it to be tougher, there you go. If I want it to be easier, there you go, because there's less band to stretch against you, right? If I want to keep more of that band on the floor, now the band I had to pull up is tighter.
That's right.
Right, but it's working up. And if I do it slow, it's working on the way back down.
That's great.
Yes.
Start with one foot even.
There you go.
You can start with one foot and be like, how does this feel? How am I feeling here? Like, okay, now maybe next week I'm going to do 2 feet. Now I'm going to spread it out. Maybe you're on the yellow, the green. But this entire set that you're getting, everything that you need is in this set, including the bag to take it wherever you want. At $19.99 to do something for your health, to give yourself that opportunity to maybe work out when you want to work out, to maybe just get the blood flowing for $19.99. It's only for this day. And now's the time to listen. Summer's going to come and you're going to wish you had, moved a little bit more. You're going to wish you had maybe toned up your arms and your shoulders a little bit more. Now is your time. You have 30 days here at HSN to try anything out. Do this. Do this for 30 days.
And you're activated. I can see, I've been watching you.
What? Okay.
You can see, like, when you're watching, I mean, if you're not talking and you're actually paying attention to what's going on, you're a great model, so I think. Do you care if I touch you? You can see, like, if you keep your eye, he's getting this, okay? And so maybe you're a woman and you're wearing a tank top. Do you have spillage coming out of your tank top? Ty's fixing all that by lifting up on a rubber band. I mean, that's what's happening.
Right.
And you can see the muscle activating. You know it's working. We can feel it.
I can feel it.
My
arms are starting to wear out here. You can feel it. And so I was on the black. Explain to us the different colors here.
Because you can find resistance bands out in the market. Probably not at this value. So let me tell you what makes ours different in 60 seconds or less, so you have an idea if you like ours or if you like somebody else's. Every single one of our bands is a different color, so you know the size, you know what pounds they are, the resistance. But we did not put a sticker. We embroidered it. We stitched it on. That will never fall off. It's 30 pounds or 13.7 kilograms. The green one next to it is going to be your 25 pound, even in a green text. Everything matches, everything coordinates. And by the way, every end has a carabiner, so switching things out is not difficult. You have your 20-pound weight, which is in the blue. You have your 15-pound weight, which is in the red. Now, guys, keep in mind, I'd have to buy a separate dumbbell for each of these times 2 because I have 2 hands. So if I want a dumbbell in each hand, those are each about $1 a pound. And that's
they're very expensive because it's heavy.
You put that together when you're pricing like the free weight dumbbells.
Yeah, you're like,
usually a 10-pound is around $10. It's like $1 a pound. I'm like, what is happening?
Why is that? Yes.
So everything fits in the bag, but we don't leave you alone. You get home this pamphlet that has all these different exercises inside here. It teaches you how to do the door anchor.
Oh, great.
And then it gives you the chest fly, the chest press, the standing back row, the bent over row. Oh, the bent over row. You know, if you cross those, Ty, you can do a bent over row. Cross the band.
You can.
So opposite hands.
Yeah,
then you can even do what Ty was just doing, the shoulder raise and the shoulder press. And then we get into the door. And you can keep going and even as far down as abs. You can do abs. Put those wrist straps or those ankle straps around your ankles. Use the door anchor. Let it pull your legs up and pull your legs back down. And I'll tell you, it's like doing, you know, when you kick your legs up.
Yeah, it is so smooth. That's what you get with resistance bands. Not only you get a little bit more safety because you're not carrying big dumbbells.
Right.
You get that smooth feel and all the way smooth down. You get this anywhere you go. Guys, if there's guys shopping with me or if you're shopping for your guy and maybe he travels a lot, find yourself in hotel rooms a lot. And you're like, I don't want to go down to the hotel room, the hotel gym. I don't even know if they have a gym. Am I going to be able to get on the machine? Do I know how to work a machine?
Is it dirty?
Exactly. Is it dirty?
Here you go.
You take these with you.
There's your gym.
This is it. You throw that in your backpack. You throw this in your carry-on. You throw this in your suitcase. And now, and I'm talking really honestly, if it's only 10 minutes a day, just start with 10 minutes a day. Just start moving.
I'll take
put
2.
Put on, how
Give
about
us
that?
2 minutes a day.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Put on your favorite song. Put on your favorite song. Say, you know, I'm just going to lift. Put on your favorite show. Watch us while you do it. And say, I'm just going to do a couple of minutes here and get moving and see how you feel. You hear, I'm a little bit out of breath.
Me too.
And it feels great. I just feel energized just by getting moving a little bit. Okay, over 200 have been ordered in the past, like 8 minutes here.
I want to show you a trick too.
Okay.
I struggle with love handles. This is where I carry my weight.
Everybody, we all do.
Okay, I'm not going to speak for the entire world.
We all do,
okay?
but yes, okay,
I carry my weight there, and I struggle. So my trainers over the years that I paid a lot of money for,
yes,
they've taught me the tricks with resistance that I can teach to you in 10 seconds or less.
Okay, I'm ready.
Anchor it with your feet. There's nothing on the floor. Hold it tight up here, about a 90-degree angle with your arms, so that you hold it up here, the handles.
Okay.
Step to the left, step to the right. That's easy. Oh. Once you figure out this works for you, then hold one foot firm, and then do kickouts.
That's it. If you want that hip, maybe even in the glute a little bit there.
Yes, I can feel
all you
that.
have to do. You know, now that I think about it, I've got these bands that all runners have, and they put it around their legs.
Yep.
Those are $20 for one band.
They are.
$20 for one band, and now you get the whole set. You can try out the entire set, and I just want you to try it in the privacy of your own home. You don't have to pay for a gym membership. You don't have to go to a class. No big machine, right? No heavy weights.
Sanitizer wipes.
No sanitizer wipes. And you know what? When you mentioned how much you used to spend, or some people spend on personal trainers, you know what every personal trainer has? They've got resistance bands. They're going to immediately put you on resistance bands, and now you can do this yourself. You're getting a booklet to show you how to do everything for $19.99. Also, think about someone who maybe is about to go off to college. They're about to live in a dorm, right? And maybe they don't have a lot of time. They just have a few minutes. Take this outside, go to the beach, go to the park, be outside by the pool, and just get moving a little bit. Time will fly by, and then when you're done, you'll be like, I'm a little out of breath, and I feel amazing. I feel
then it's
great.
all done. And I can fit this in my purse. And you can take it with you, but guys, when you get it home, pick whatever band works for you and throw that one over your recliner. Because keep it out. I'm not kidding. You know how many things I purchase? I never open the box, guys. Take your favorite one that you're going to use every day and throw it over your chair where you walk by. You can grab it. You can grab it, you'll use it.
To do something for yourself for $20. Do something that you will use every day. You will use it season after season. When there's bad weather outside, you'll just grab your resistance band. Everyone in the family will use it. Our phone lines are pretty busy right now. I'm going to push you to use the item number 868-283. Please use the item number. That'll be quick at hsn.com or the HSN app, or use the QR code. Grab yours now. You have 30 days to try it out. This is the best thing, especially if you're starting out. Maybe you have an athlete in the family. You are getting a huge bundle.
Everything, you can combine them together.